Hello, everyone. I'm Mo, and I've lost over 140 pounds in just under 6 months by consuming the right ingredients, and so have hundreds of our clients, and I know you can as well. Now, did you know that bacteria in your gut might be the reason your body is storing fat no matter how little you eat? Now, hit that like, turn on the notification bell, make sure you're subscribed because the truth about gut health and weight loss needs to be heard and shared with everyone. Now, let's talk facts. Your gut is not just about digestion, it's basically running the show on fat storage, craving, and your metabolism. Now, your microbiome controls your energy harvest. Now, some gut bacteria, like firmicides, extract more calories from the same food than others. And people with more of these tend to store more fat, even without eating more. There's also a dysbiosis, which is basically a fat trap. And when your gut bacteria are out of balance, it can cause a leaky gut, letting inflammatory substances into your bloodstream. And this causes insulin resistance and signals to your body to store more belly fat, which is just basically putting you in a cycle of consistent weight gain without it even being your fault and not knowing. That's so crappy. Now, these cravings you're also gaining, they might not be yours. So your gut bacteria influences your hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin, and even produce chemicals like serotonin and dopamine. So if your gut is out of balance, it can make you crave more sugar and eat more often. Right? Now, proof is in the mice. Now, scientists have transplanted gut bacteria from obese people into skinny mice. The crazy part is, you guys, the mice gain fat on the same diet. And that's how powerful your gut microbiome is. And I've heard of people doing a transplant, stool transplants to lose the weight. I'm not a big fan of that. I find that a little difficult to fully comprehend or feel comfortable with, but I do understand the science because they're basically giving you the right gut microbiome for your body to have the right garden to be able to flourish in there. But just understand you can fix your gut biome yourself just by following our regimen. We do have the link below for our free recipe book that gives you all the ingredients and guides. And we are still doing the free giveaway where one lucky client a month gets access to our retreat completely free, and one lucky client a month gets access to our free home coaching. We send you all of the equipment that you need to guarantee you the weight loss, and we guarantee anywhere from 5 to 10 pounds in 2 weeks, or even up to 20 pounds in under 30 days. And when you do the retreat, we guarantee up to 30 pounds because we have full control of the environment, and we've never had somebody fail in both methods. So if you want any help, please don't hesitate to click the link below, subscribe to the channel, watch all our previous videos because we explain how we do it, and we know you can do it from home. But sometimes people just need that extra support. That's why we've got coaches available to make it easy for you. And just understand, we use real food, we use real results, and we give you real support to make this happen. And if this video helped you realize that your gut might be your secret to fat loss, hit that like, comment gut health below, turn on your notifications, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next video. Just so you understand, everybody can lose the weight that they're struggling with, no matter how it makes you feel. You are not stuck. I do understand how it feels to be in that position because that's how my journey started, that I was able to change my life, and so have hundreds of our clients. So I know you can as well. I'll see you on your weight loss journey.